Hello friends, welcome back to Dream Car Views. Before we begin today's amazing motorhome tour, just a small request yar. So many of you watch our videos every week, enjoy them. But forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Please yar, with just one click our channel grows, and we get motivated to bring you even more luxury motorhome videos. So after watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and yes, share this video with your friends too. Today we're talking about a classy and stylish motorhome, the 2025 Toyota Hiace Camper. This is not just a camper van, it's a perfect blend of comfort, style, and adventure. As soon as you step inside, you'll find a cozy living room on the right-hand side. It features comfortable sofa seats, soft LED lights, and a compact table, making this area relaxing and homely. Whether you want to read a book, have a cup of coffee, or just chill after a long drive, this space feels absolutely perfect. On the left-hand side, you'll find the kitchen area. It's fully equipped with a stove, sink, refrigerator, and smart storage cabinets. Everything is designed to give you the same comfort of home, cooking even while traveling, from quick snacks to full meals. This kitchen has all the essentials to make your road journey delicious and easy. Moving to the front, you'll see the driver's cabin, the command center of this camper. And here's something really cool. Just above the cabin, there's a comfortable bed. Yes, you heard that right. The sleeping area is designed right over the cabin. It's a smart use of space, giving you both functionality and luxury in one perfect setup. Now let's talk about one of the most interesting parts of this motorhome, the washroom. It's cleverly placed at the top corner of the camper, making full use of the available space. Inside, you'll find a shower, toilet, and wash basin, all compactly and smartly arranged to ensure full comfort even in a small area. It's modern, efficient, and super practical for long trips. The entire interior feels like a moving home. Soft LED lighting, elegant wooden finishing, and a clean, stylish design make this camper look truly premium. The Toyota Hiace Camper isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice for those who love traveling with comfort and luxury. So friends, how did you like this 2025 Toyota Hiace Camper? If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the like button. And those who just watch and leave, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss our next luxury motorhome tour. And yes, share this video with your friends, because who knows, this camper might become their next travel dream. Thank you so much for watching Dream Car Views. We'll see you in the next video with another amazing and luxurious motorhome.